Conntek P515L530 1-feet generator adapter 15-amp U.S plug to 30-amp locking female connector 5-30R pug, male, NEMA 5 to 15P, standard 3-prong household. Conntector, female, NEMA 5-30R, 30 amps 125 volts, 3-prong locking. Cable, STW 10/3, industrial grade. Max rating, 1875 watts. Compatible with RV generator construction it use. Product description: generator power cord adapter, 15A125V plug to 30A125V female, max power, 1875W, stays flexible in cold weather, heat resistant up to 221 F, rating 15A to 30A125V cable STW 10/3 cord length 1 foot configuration NEMA 5 to 15P to NEMA 5-30R approval connector, and STW CL warranty limited 5-year warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.